I got all of the lower swing arm mounts taken off of this thing. I did some damage to the frame, so I'm gonna have to do some, when I was trying to take it off of the grinder. So I'm gonna have to get in here with a welder, fix this all up, smoothen this all down, which is nice because now I have a blank canvas to work with. I can put anything anywhere I want. The geometry has to all work with the top still, and these arms are staying the same, so they'll have to stay as centered as they can, as how they were. But I can position them anywhere. And what I've come up with is this setup here. So right now I just have this clamped together. I happen to have material this wide and material this high. I wish this was a little bit taller, but I can just drill the holes off center. It won't matter. One advantage of building these all from scratch again is that these arms are, I think, about an eighth or a quarter longer than the old arms. So what I'm going to do is to compensate for that, I'm going to move the holes in maybe a quarter of an inch altogether, an eighth of an inch on each side, just to help offset the fact that these are a little bit longer. I don't think it'll be a huge problem. It's going to be a low speed vehicle, but steering angles are important, and if it doesn't steer well, it won't track well. I know it seems like a lot of work for just a little remote control vehicle, but it's going to be autonomous, or I want it to be kind of drive itself. And the computer needs to know that when the steering is at a certain angle, the machine is going at that angle. The steering has to be in pretty decent shape. So I'm going to have new lower control arms. I found a way to tighten up the upper control arms so it'll be better. I'll make these, get all these bushings and stuff all tightened up, get this welded back on here, and I'll move forward with getting the motor mounted and getting the wheels and axles tight and working together. So that'll be, again, a couple days more work, but I just wanted to show you where I was at with this point.